Are you from CSE, IT, data science, ECE, but still struggling to land your first job? You attend multiple interviews but never get shortlisted despite having certificates and courses? It feels like no matter what you do, experience is the one thing companies keep asking for, and you are left waiting for someone to give you that one chance. What if you didn't have to wait anymore? What if during your confusion, you had the right guidance, real training, and a guaranteed path to job placement? This is exactly what DATAVALLEY's 100% job guarantee program offers. We don't just teach you, we place you directly on software and AI projects at our Cyber Towers Development Center in Hyderabad. Here, you will work alongside our in-house project team and also get a chance to work on our clients' SAS and AI projects. You will be trained for the first 2 months and then spend 4 more months working on real projects. Throughout, you are gaining actual experience while you learn. And to ensure your success, a dedicated placement officer works closely with you, sharing your profile and connecting you with companies until you get placed within 6 months. We keep each batch small, just 10 to 15 students, so that we can give every student truly personalized training and focus on everyone's growth. Our promise is simple: hire, train, deploy. If you are not placed within 6 months, we will hire you ourselves and pay your salary, because your career matters to us. This program is exclusively designed for graduates of 2023, 24 and 25 with a minimum of 6.2 aggregate. If you don't qualify this, share with your friends who do. They deserve a chance too. Leave your job hunt to us. Click on the form below and fill that. Our team will get in contact with you and guide you throughout the entire program. Work on real-time projects, gain experience and get placed. DataValley makes it happen.